54 Collective. As a company, we actually exist to redefine investments across Africa so that entrepreneurs build without boundaries. And that means a couple of things. The first is that we have baked in diversified capital or catalytic capital, as it were, that enables you as an entrepreneur to receive equity capital from our VC fund, but you also receive a catalytic capital to be able to build and hire more people in your team. The market calls that a little bit of a patient capital, but it's baked into our model. We also have a team that is built to essentially work with entrepreneurs, and that side of our company is called a platform where you will get intervention support along the journey of building your business, right from concept up to pre-series A. You will have access to people at any given stage of building your business to make sure that we de-risk your venture. We give you access to market. We give you opportunity to distribute your product, and we enable scale for these ventures. Because our goal as a company, 54 Collective, is not only to build businesses in Africa, but also to look for opportunities to expand outside Africa, to provide entrepreneurs with opportunities to be in markets where their product can be able to find scale.